everybody, and today I've got a very special unboxing video, and we're going to be unboxing an extremely rare item, and that is the Paw Patrol Dino Volcano playset. So before we get to the unboxing, some people might be asking, where on earth did you get this item? It's extremely rare. Well, here's the story. Well, as most of you may know, on the 15th February, 2021, I got an advent calendar. If you haven't watched that video, you need to check it out. It's really cool and really long. So, yeah. Now, let me explain. On the 2nd of February, I was at the doctor so that he can examine my nose about something. And I was really good at the doctor, so my father decided that I was to buy some toys from Amazon. And I ordered 2 toys. However, the advent calendar came earlier than this one. The advent calendar and a mashup came earlier than this one. They must have really had a lot of trouble shipping it or something. But other than that, so basically, that advent calendar and the mashup were 2 out of the 3 toys I ordered from after my doctor visit. Was the 2 out of 3. And this is the 3rd one. So, without further ado, let's begin opening this. So let's look at the box. So as most of you see, it's really big. And I've put the sanitizer on it because of coronavirus, which is still around. If only it would go away. And now other than that, here's the back of the box. So, here's the box. Also, I ordered this from Amazon Germany for 53 or 50, I don't know, somewhere at those prices, euros. So it's really expensive. Oh, and good news. This was limited stock. So, I am the last one to get it from Amazon Germany. I'm the last one to buy it. And there already was. So if you look on Amazon Germany and you want to look at the Dino Volcano playset, it isn't in stock because I was the last one to purchase it. So yeah. They must have not had that much because it was very, very rare. Sorry. So as you look at the box, here are some other toys that are collectible, and as you can see, these are the Dino rescue figures and dinos. That's how I like to call them. Now I already have Chase and Marshall. I ordered them for the celebration of 2 years on YouTube. Need to check that live stream out too. It came out on my 2-year anniversary, which was last year in 2020. So yeah, I only have Chase and Marshall, but I'll get the rest some other time. Probably on Easter or something. Oh, and it also comes with a mystery dino. Every single Dino Rescue toy includes a mystery dino. Except for the die-cast, which is one of my favorite models. It's because, well, I just like to use it and pretend cars or something. Yeah. So the dino can move. Oh, and wow. Look how big this set is. Isn't it big?
Yeah.
So as you can see, the dino can push on the volcano and rocks can, come out or something. And there's also a zip line. And even some stairs to climb up to this huge volcano. So Marshall can climb up these stairs and get to this humongous volcano. And it looks really neat. I'm gonna have lots of fun with this. Now this reminds me of a toy, a Paw Patrol toy, that came out in like 2015 or something. Yep, came out in like 2015 or 2014 if I remember. Or maybe 2016 for the very latest. And that is the Rescue Training Center. Yep, it was one of Paw Patrol's first toys. Though I'm not a Paw Patrol expert, I just think so yeah. Wow, you can press on the volcano to launch some rocks. Marshall can zip down. And there's even a launching water cannon to put out the fire. Neat. Oh, and is this a volcano? Wow, this looks dangerous. Oh, and a tree is on fire. So, I guess I've talked too much. Now, there is a line from Romania. However, it's Romanian, so I don't know how to say it in English, but I'll say it in Romanian. How is it? Vorba lungă, sărăcia omului.
Yeah.
How do you call it?
Too much talk.
Oh.
More talk, less money.
Sounds like the audience are really laughing from what I said.
Let's go on.
Let's go on anyway. So here's the unboxing. So I think we need to go here from the side. So, get this thing out. Oh, I need to go. I was gonna say something. Sorry. Oh. Get this thing out. Pull this tape. Now I know there's a much cheaper way, but I'll do it the hard way. Pull this door thing open. Come on. Oh God, there's a top. This idea is my fucking scissors. Beep. Said that. Sorry. Come on, get this thing. Get this thing out. Yeah. Get this thing out of here. Oh, don't tell me what I have to do the top too. Oh.
Too much tape.
Huh?
Too much tape.
Agree. What?
Oh.
Ooh, something's under here. Oh, this must be the zip line. Must be the zip line. Here's the zip line. Whoosh. Okay, so now there's a lot of unboxing to this set. Now here's some. Now let's get some things free. Let's use our scissors and get some things free. Come on.
you fight with it?
Yeah. Hold on a minute. This dino. Come on.
Full strength.
A bit too much. A bit too much. Come on. A bit too much.
Hold on the camera, I will do it.
Okay. The cameraman is gonna.
Yeah, the
Hello.
camera.
Hello, I'm the cameraman, and I know that this is going to be very hard because
Make sure not to cut it.
oh, what do you say?
Oh, we got it. All right. We got the ladder. We got the ladder out. Now the dino is hard to get out. Come on.
Oh god.
Hold on, give me the scissors, please. Need to get the one. Okay. So that was a little bit of chaos. Now we should have gone like a knife or something. Now we should have gone like a knife or something.
It's very nice, this toy.
It sure
And the
is.
surprise is very nice.
Yeah, but it sure is hard to make this thing open. It's not opening. What's wrong with it? Alright, so we got the dino out.
Yes.
Finally got the dino out. Hold on, I was going to open that. Hold on. Oh, so that little packaging thing was actually for a bag. So let's pull out in front all our pieces. So here are all the pieces so far. And here we got our parts of the zip line. These toys are really hard to open.
Yeah, why?
No idea. Probably because they pack it up so well.
Pack it up, pack it in. Let me begin.
Yeah, they didn't think that little kids don't have the strength to go in. Ooh! Oh, well, hold on. Hey. So, okay, so cameraman's back and got everything out. But except these. Alright, guys. So it was hard work, but we got all the pieces out, and they look like a lot of pieces. Oh wait, there's one more piece. And that is the zipline piece. It looks really cool. It looks really cool, but let's see if it really is big and cool.
It's a real jungle, right?
Well, yeah. Well, it kind of is.
Cool. And this is the volcano, isn't it?
Yep.
Very cool.
Certainly is.
And what are the rocks?
I don't know. We'll just have to read the instructions and see.
And Marshall has a very nice outfit.
Yep. Yes, he does. That's the Dino Rescue Range. However, some might be asking, Tudor, you shouldn't be opening Dino Rescue toys anymore. The Moto Pops toys are out. Well, let me tell you. Yes, I do know that the Moto Pops toys are out. So maybe this is the last Dino Rescue toy I'm going to be buying. Well, not kind of the last, but maybe I'll get a few more Dino toys just to kick off that. I do know that the Moto Pups are coming, and I'm really excited to see it. However, it's gonna be a long time before I get to see it. And why? Because I don't usually like watching Paw Patrol on TV. I don't like it because it's in Romanian, and I don't like Paw Patrol in Romanian. But maybe I can find it on Daily Motion. But that would be quite impossible or something. Or another way could be maybe finding it on YouTube or something. Or maybe I can get it on DVD. That would be cool. But not talking about that right now. Now I need to go and find the instructions.
Tell me, why this dino is magenta or pink or something like this?
No idea. Probably because their dinos can be in any color in TV shows. TV shows can have anything. Okay, so here's the instructions. The number 1 step says to hook this. Hold on, what does it mean? Oh, so step 1 is that they have to hook this, create the zip line like this. There. That looks really good. So it's sorry. Sorry. Again. Something. Okay. Anyway. It's hooked up onto here so that this piece can be attached to the main base. So yeah. Step 2 is to get our big piece. The big piece. Ooh, there's even a fire.
Oh.
And Marshall has to use his water cannon and put out the fire in this emergency. Ready? Fire. Go. Here's the launching cannon and... Whoa!
Whoa.
Got it first try. I got it first try. Gotta pick that up. I don't want to lose it. Oh, and by the way, what can I do to not lose anything?
You have to pay attention.
Yeah, I need to put this in a box and keep it like that. So I'll put this in a launching cannon. I'll have the bullets. So we'll put the cannon here. Yeah, so that. Okay, so step 2 is to attach this piece to this. That's all this strong. This is really hard. I haven't put one of these toys together in ages. Not really ages, but
Yes.
so yeah, we
Oh,
got
cool.
it fixed. So the next step is to raise these things up. Whoa! I didn't know that they can actually go down. How do you raise them up? Is there a button or something?
Cool.
Oh, cool. Whoa! Whoa! So when you actually press this, the flames go out. So we'll do it more time. Oh, cool! So Paw Patrol toys are really, really cool. So then you place the 2 boulders. It says for me to place the 2 boulders carefully onto the... It says to place the boulders carefully. It says for me to... It also says that it has to make sure that the fire is down. And the last step of building the actual set is to attach the ladder. This set is really, really hard to make. It's not hard to build. You just need a parent to help you with some building process. That is because, come on. You keep wondering, why is it pink?
Yeah, and I think I heard him telling something.
You're
He said.
voice acting.
What?
You're voice acting.
I'm not voice acting. He's telling me something.
No, you're doing it with your voice. Maybe someday you should be my voice actor if you want.
Yes, I'll be your voice actor if you need it.
But though I don't need voice actors for all my, so they're just like me narrating all of them.
Okay. Something else?
Wait, why does the ladder? Wait.
Put there. No more moving.
Oh. Okay. Just like steady.
Next.
So it says for me to place 2 rocks onto
Are you telling me something? He's telling me something.
No, he isn't. You're voice acting.
Yeah. Now, what are we gonna do?
Well, we're gonna play. So, where are we gonna put the rocks in? And are we gonna put it? Wait, put this thing.
And what's happening?
Change.
And now,
I think the Dino has to like push over one of the buttons so that he could explode the bomb. I don't really know how to do this thing, but whoa!
can you do this again?
No. Now the ladder keeps falling off. Now, does this thing get fixed in or what? There's some stone.
And now?
Whoa! And I think he's gonna push. Oh.
Whoa!
So he actually pushes on them. We actually push here. And he makes the rocks launch. So we put the rocks. And then the Dino comes in and smashes into them.
Okay, next.
And then the Dino causes a fire, and Marshall has to get up and say good day. Hey, I want to try something. Why don't we use the cannon and try to put out that big fire? Whoa. Maybe it isn't a good idea. Marshall, we just have to move it like this to make it put it out. Or we can pretend psh, 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 psh. So, here we go. Roll like this stairs. Actually, I don't know. Sorry. So, wow, you can fit both a Dino and the Marshall in the zip line. Look, can fit both the Dino and the Marshall in this thing. That'll be sticking. Stick.
He's stuck.
No, he isn't stuck. Yep. Yep.
Cool. And now, for the grand finale.
For the whee! I think the zip line is broken. Or no, I just didn't push them well. Okay, push. Woo! They slid down. But oh no, what's this? Avalanche! Fire! Uh-oh, the Dino has escaped. Ah! Fire! The Dino was so angry that he flew high, knocked a switch, and launched some rocks. Rocks went everywhere. And the Dino ran away, but Marshall caught him just in time. Just as he ate him. Now I'm going to do something silly. Check this out. Hey, stop right there. You cannot go anywhere. Roar. Come on, follow me. Roar. He hit the camera. Roar. He ate the camera. And now I'm going to eat you. Roar.
Oh, God. He's full.
But Marshall destroys the Dino and gets out of his belly. He's able to put out the fire. Now he's able to launch a cannon. Whoosh! Good. Very good.
Yeah.
But, oh, what's this? Another fire. I'll put that out in no time.
Oh,
Oh
God.
dear. What? Missed. Oh, not again. I knew this was going to happen. I'll try one more time. And this time from the very bottom.
Cool.
Oh, yay! We did it! Fire is out. But there are still rocks. Ah! Lava grumbled. As everything destroyed.
Oh.
Come on, this volcano needs to stop. I'll put the volcano out. He launched out some water. And because of all the water, the whole volcano crashed around. You mean the zip line? Nah, my work's done. Goodbye. Welcome, Standard! Okay, guys, so hope you enjoyed my unboxing of the volcano Dino playset. I think that's what it's called. Dino volcano playset. Hope you guys enjoyed. So, what was your favorite part about this toy? Daddy, what was your favorite part?
The fight with the dino.
Real good, man. What's your favorite part of this set?
The zip line.
Yeah, I kind of like the zip line too. Yeah, the zip line and I think the volcano is really cool.
Cool.
I think your favorite is the volcano. So as always, signing out. Bye.